Copy trading update tayo mga kuya mga teng. Currently 177% up ang ating portfolio sa copy trading with the maximum drawdown of 21% and risk score of 5 out of 10. Meron tayong high trading reliability score of 77. At ito naman ang performance in the past few months. Makikita nyo dito na nung month of March, ayan, negative 2% ng ating portfolio. So ayan yung mga negative and positive days natin noong buwan ng March, no? At ito naman yung performance natin nitong current month, no? Month of April naman ito. Ayan, ngayong month of April, our portfolio is up 10.83%. At halos lahat yan, I think lahat naman yan ay green days, no? So naka-bounce back na tayo from our drawdown last month. Yan naman ang importante, no? So as a trader, dumadaan talaga tayo sa mga drawdowns every now and then. Ang importante ay natututo